We're very excited to share that this 850 square metre, 21 bedroom, 12 bathroom former hotel has just been reduced to €150,000. It will definitely need some love, so please check directly with the realtor for the fine details. But whether you want to keep it for yourself, your friends and your family, to use as the ultimate holiday home between the lakes and ski slopes, or envision revamping it as a hotel or rental property just in time for the 2026 Winter Olympics, this could turn out to be the deal of the decade. And just look at the location. More details and a link to the original listing can be found in the description section below. If you're a serious buyer, we suggest moving quickly. This one most likely won't last on the market long.